Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to get a certificate of completion in DocuSign. This certificate gives proof of signing details, like timestamps and recipient information. Now let's get started. On the DocuSign dashboard, we go to our agreements. In this agreement, we see all the completed documents. Each completed document has its own certificate of completion. To view the certificate of completion, we just click this download option, then choose the file we want to download, such as the certificate of completion. Once we select it, we click download. As we see here, it includes the certificate of completion. If we only want the certificate of completion, we just check this option. If we want the document as well, we check that option. When we download, we get the certificate of completion. Once it's done, we go to our computer and download, and here is our certificate of completion. With this certificate, we have a detailed record of the signing process for reference or compliance needs.